You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word if you're looking at how to pronounce more confusing English vocabulary and French pronunciations too. Make sure to stay tuned. This one does come from French. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, as Vassal. It's also a game engine. Va, not vey, Vassal. Stress on the first syllable, Vassal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.